great AI productivity debate, and we're going to discuss the two wildly different visions that are being offered. Let's start with a measured view first. AI might boost US GDP per capita growth to 2.1% annually for a decade. Their analysis suggests that this would be significant but hardly revolutionary, comparable to the past technological advances like electricity or the internal combustion engine. The economic perspective emphasizes historical patterns. Moreover, economists point to the J-curve effect. Rapid technology adoption often temporarily reduces productivity as organizations restructure and workers adapt to new systems. The other view is the more transformative vision. Productivity growth from AI may ultimately exceed economists' current forecast while arriving more slowly than the technologists predict. Automating physical labor sparked the Industrial Revolution. Automating cognitive work should trigger an even more dramatic productivity leap. Most AI startup founders frame AI as converting labor into capital, essentially enabling organizations to deploy unlimited digital workers. Combined with AI's potential to accelerate idea generation and knowledge diffusion, technologists envision economic transformation on a scale economists' historical models cannot capture. Let's try and find the middle ground out here. Stanford's Digital Economic Lab suggests that both the camps hold valid insights. Their research on the previous generation purpose technologies like steam power, electricity, information technology reveals a pattern. The pattern being that the biggest economic gains came not from the technology themselves, but from the complementary investments and organizational changes. Similarly, AI's impact depends on how businesses restructure their operations, retrain their workers, and reimagine processes, changes that require significant time and investment. This leads to an intriguing conclusion. Productivity growth from AI may ultimately exceed economists' current forecast while arriving more slowly than the technologists predict. The technology itself might be revolutionary, but realizing that potential demands unglamorous work of institutional adaptation, a process that can't be rushed. What seems clear is that we are navigating uncharted territory, wherein historical precedents provide only partial guidance.